this collision center's goal is to be the absolute #1 provider of collision repairs in this entire market with regards to our cycle time, our quality of repair, and actually our customer satisfaction.
I love this collision center. I tell everybody, I boast about it. I basically tell them once their car gets here, besides what we do up front to keep them here, once it gets in the back, it's like a piece of candy and ants. We bring the car in the shop, we got teams that get onto it, get it dismantled, get an accurate estimate written.
What separates our collision center from other collision centers, one of the biggest things is our VTAPS program. That's our Vantile Advanced Production System. It allows us to provide the highest quality repairs while being able to get the customer back in their car as quickly as possible.
We provide here the absolute best facility, best process, and best equipment to provide the best absolute repair for our customers.